They said we were going to get deployed to somewhere.
So we told them that you're going to the other side of the world for 180 days. It's cold. Bring some cold weather gear.
It's scary because you're leaving your family, but it's exciting because you maybe get to go to a new place.
And we are in our KUDOS event, Kids Understanding Deployment Operations. We are celebrating the children of Hill Air Force Base by incorporating them into a mock deployment operation. They get to get a deployment brief, do a swearing-in ceremony, and then they get to walk the deployment line. After they've walked the deployment line, they get to go into the first responder showcase.
I get to look at some stuff that the military gets to use.
Taser, taser, taser!
My favorite part here is probably watching somebody get tased. I learned that different calls to the dog makes her do different things.
Out of the 469 children we have here today, 94% of them are military affiliated. At any moment, their family member could receive a call for a real-world deployment. And so giving them a better outlook of what that may look like may help them adjust to when that call is made.
If something's bad happening or something's bad happening to the country, they can protect it.